Ear candles are widely used by individuals, couples and families in the comfort of their own home, or by trained naturopaths, professionals and therapists in spa clinics, massage or wellness clinics. Ear candles are used by many for a wide number of benefits and can assist with issues such as sinus, tinnitus, general ear cleansing, improved sleep, balance, or overall wellness and relaxation. Frequency of use can range from weekly to monthly or just occasional use. It's generally not advised to use ear candles on young children, and adult supervision is required at all times. Essenzza has a range of ear candles to suit individual preference, and our bulk value packs are extremely popular with regular users. They are widely available in health and pharmacy stores. For those that are new to ear candling, it's important to become familiar with the product and safety requirements. We strongly suggest you fully read the safety instructions and to seek the assistance of a friend or partner throughout the whole therapy. Prior to using ear candles, ensure that you have close by a lighter and a jar of water to assist in extinguishing the candle. Take the time to familiarise yourself with certain product features. The safety disc is required at all times as an added layer of safety. Simply insert the candle into the disc, foil side face up, to just below the stop mark on the candle. This will help to prevent any stray ash or wax falling towards the head area. At the base of every candle there is a filter insert. Ensure the filter is there. This will also prevent residue beeswax falling into the ear or head areas. Try to use ear candles in a calm, quiet, peaceful environment. Gentle, relaxing background music will enhance your mood. Tranquility can add to your relaxed state of mind and enhance the end result. Ensure there are no wind drafts in the room that could affect how the candle burns. Prior to use, soak a small hand towel in warm water. Use of a warm flannel or small towel around the ear will help with safety, but also add warmth to the ear canal. When you are ready, lie down on your side. Now your partner or assistant can place the towel appropriately around the ear. They then should insert the candle into the disc and light the candle. The candle should be placed carefully into the ear with a slight gentle twist and held at a 90-degree upright angle to the head. Ensure that the candle is held upright for the entire burning process, normally around 8 minutes. The flame will quickly settle into a gentle, vibrating pattern. If for any reason you feel the candle is not burning correctly, then cease use and extinguish immediately. As the flame approaches the safety stop mark, this is the time to be prepared to extinguish the flame and place the candle into a jar of water close by. Take the time for a few moments rest. Simply turn over and repeat the whole process for the opposite ear. At the end of your treatment, take the time to close your eyes, relax and rest. Essenzza ear candles can be used on a regular basis and come in a range of styles which differ slightly in the way that they are made, using cotton or bamboo and certain essential oils. Be sure to try our value packs, which make ear candling not only practical for regular users, but a much wiser investment. Essenzza ear candles are handmade and come with full safety elements to ensure a safe, enjoyable experience. They should only be used at all times under adult supervision and stored in a shaded area and away from the reach of children. Please refer to all packaging to check if they are suitable. If unsure or you have any medical condition, consult with your medical professional prior to use.